Hi everyone, it's Daniela, and recently I posted on YouTube a tutorial on how to make this bead bracelet, and I decided to make matching earrings. I like to combine jewelry of the same type, not always the whole set in the sense of necklace, earrings and bracelet, but I always choose only two matching pieces. This means, for example, earrings and a bracelet or a necklace and a bracelet. At the same time, I wear matching earrings and necklace only rarely. I often think that it's just too much, but of course I make an exception sometimes. So before we get started, I'd like to ask you to please give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below and subscribe to my channel and turn notifications on. It really helps my channel to grow, so I shoot more tutorials for you. And if you want to support me even more, check my Patreon, you can also find the link down below. Let's take a look at materials. As optional, we are gonna need a bead stopper and a bead mat. A bead stopper keeps the beads we are adding from falling off the end, and the bead mat is good in that you can easily pick up beads from the bead mat and they won't scatter all around. Let's talk about beads. We are gonna need 8 pieces of Miyuki Tila beads. This is color matte transparent dark topaz. And we also need 18 pieces of Matubo Miniduo beads. This is pastel amber color. 8 pieces of 3mm fire polish beads and some seed beads. I'm going to use this Czech Preciosa of size 11 in pink color. Next we need a fire line. This is 0.12mm in crystal color. 2 stainless steel jump rings, 2 stainless steel fish hooks, 2 plastic ear nuts, size 12 beading needle, scissors, and of course some pliers. I'm going to use chain nose pliers and round nose pliers. Cut a comfortable length of fire line, about 50 centimeters will be enough. Thread the needle. And to the end of the thread I put on my bead stopper so the beads won't fall off this loose end. Here you can see how the earrings look finished. So I pick up beads according this template. I pick up 1 Tila bead, 1 Miniduo bead, 1 3mm fire polished bead, 1 Miniduo, and again the same, 1 Tila bead, 1 Miniduo, 1 3mm fire polished, and Miniduo again. Tila, Miniduo, 3mm, Miniduo, and last Tila, Miniduo, last 3mm, and Miniduo. That's all. And now I need to connect it to a circle. So I will go back through this first Tila bead, through the same hole, to form a circle. You can remove the stub bead if you want. I will hold this tail with my hand. And now you can see that I'm coming out of this Tila bead. And I move my Miniduo to the right position and go through this free hole of Miniduo. And I will continue direct the beads to the center like this. And I will go through another Miniduo. I skip the 3mm fire polished bead. So I make this edge. And now I go through the second hole of the Tila bead. And again through the Miniduo, through 2 Miniduos, I skip the 3mm bead. And you can see that the square is starting to form. And again through the free hole of this Tila bead, the second hole, and direct the beads to the center. And again only through 2 Miniduos, skip 3mm, through the Tila bead, and through the 2 last Miniduos. And now I need to get to the place the last Tila bead. So I go through this free hole and tie it well. And what I like to do next is that I take another needle, or I remove this needle and thread my tail, the other tail, and I weave the tail in. So I go through a couple of beads, go under the thread and make a knot, tie it well, go through a couple more beads again, make another knot, and again tie it well. Sew through the beads again, and cut the tail. Now I thread on my working thread again, and we are gonna attach a fish hook. So I need to get through this 3mm fire polish bead. So I go through the Miniduo, through the other Miniduo like this, and go back through the same Miniduo and through the 3mm fire polished bead. Now I pick up another Miniduo, slide it down, and go through the other hole of the Miniduo, through the 3mm again, and tie it well. Go back up through the Miniduo, pick up 3 size 11 seed beads, and go through the same Miniduo down again. We will form something like a loop here, and go through the 3mm. If you want to reinforce it a little bit more, go down through the Miniduos like this, through the 3mm, and again through the 11s, and go back. I like to do it, so I will show you. I'll go down through the Miniduo, through the other hole of the Miniduo, and go up through the 3mm and up through this Miniduo, and go through all 3 size 11 seed beads. And now go back down and we weave the tail somewhere here. So we are finished and we weave the tail in. So I go under the thread, make a knot, and go through more beads, make a knot again, so go under the thread and make a knot, and again go through a couple more beads. And we can cut a thread. Now we attach a jump ring. So I open it with my pliers and I go through this middle seed bead, through this hole, like this. Add a fish hook and close the jump ring. The earring is finished, and I almost forgot I put on the ear nut. And of course we do the second earring the same way. So which earrings do you like better? Pink or green? Write me in the comments below what do you think. I love working with Tila beads. It occurs to me that with little effort I can achieve a very beautiful and professional effect. And they combine well with other types of beads. So I'll be happy to show you some other tutorial with Tila beads in the future. If you want to support me and if you want to see more tutorials, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell so you don't miss any new videos. Happy beading and see you next time!